All right, NASDAQ. Look at you, buddy. Ugh. Amazon going for it this morning. 35.54. Not quite, but we are trying the trend line. We'll see how it goes. All right, need to clean my glasses. Make more glass cleaning solution. Go through my drawers. Can't find my stuff. Cats are screwing with my whiteboard. Interesting. All right, where's my stuff? All right, I found my stuff. Hey, what's up, y'all? Mohammed Blad, good morning. You guys are responsible for the NASDAQ being up today. I appreciate that. All right, Amazon. Let's see. WB up the most. Shen, VIX, GBTC. No silver, Nvidia 1.5. SellH. EXPI. It's Nvidia at 1. Amazon's at 0.68. All right, so Tesla's already selling off. I'm not super happy with Tesla's performance. Hopefully they're going to come back and just kind of do their own thing. Piss everybody off that was pissed off they didn't rock when they wanted them to. Nasdaq's killing it though. If you guys don't have positions, I think TQ is the TQQQ is a great option. I think this thing's just starting. Amazon's a great option. Oh, I'm looking at Amazon. It's going across our line. Boom, there you go. 1.15% for Amazon jumping up. All right, I got my glasses. Now let me see what's going on here. I did get into an Amazon position on the Friday. And that's got to be doing good. And I don't have my Amazon positions up here. It's not even on my 15-minute chart anymore. Bam, there we go. The volume, pretty excellent for 1 minute in. All right. Go Amazon. And Microsoft may be doing something. How's our workhorse? Still chilling down. I did sell some workhorse calls this week for 18. So, hey, what's up, Ellie? You jump Discord on here in case anybody wants to jump on. Don't have to. What? 18s? What do you mean? Oh, gotcha. Okay, sorry. My brain's not quite working yet. All right, I didn't even add my Amazon position to my whiteboard. Let me add my Amazon position to my whiteboard. Tesla's still really languishing my main account. Kind of pissing me off. Um, I probably should make some adjustments actually. Yeah, it's true. All true things. I want to say trade desk. Oh, not a bad day today. Okay. Let's see. All right, trade desk position. Let's go top down here. We got Weibo. Weibo with a wee gap. Oh, geez, look at that on the overnight on the 15-minute. Some bitch got all the way to 81. Wow. From like 54 to 81 to 61. Crazy. That is a... Whatever happened there, that was a thing. Company's going to take private for $90 to $100 per share. They said it's not true. Oh, wow. Yeah, that would cause that. That's crazy. That's bonkers. All right. Chantel. Rate volume. I don't think there's anything specific there. And VIX. CRWD on a lot of IBD lists looking to start to break out of a small consolidation. I did have a list of... Oh yeah, this is on my tight consolidations, but the cats decided to jump on my whiteboard. So I don't know what any of this stuff is anymore. DD Shop NIO NEO. I have no idea what that is. Okay. Remax. This is rare. This is the Rare Metals Earth ETF. Upwork looking good. Noah doing the opposite of that. And Tesla stalling here is really annoying me. I have to. It just is. I should be more balls deep in Amazon. I do have a full position size though, so. Snapchat looking good. HubSpot looking better. Shopify also looking good. D-Dog also looking good. Oh, that's what it is. It's D-Dog. And Shopify looking good. Oh, a ServiceNow. That's what that is. Shopify and D-Dog. CRWD. And is that NIO? It's not. NIO wasn't tight. No, wasn't tight. Amazon up 2% now? Oh, geez, look at Amazon going. Kablooey. Bang. Aw, go, you son of a bitch. Our volume is excellent. This is just what you would like to see. It's really good. These Rookwor's taking a big shit, huh? Oh, yeah. Hey, what's up, Ellie?
Amazon, dude.
I know.
I'm
What?
so happy. I can't believe it's happening.
I told you it was happy. What do you mean you can't believe it?
I'm sorry that I didn't believe in our prophet, Randy.
I forgive you this time, Ellie.
Thank you.
Again. Forgive you
Thank
again.
you.
Jeez. Oh, square looks good. Square's
Uh,
getting some volume this morning.
by the way, interesting fact. Muhammad and Ali was a prophet as well.
What's that? Muhammad Ali's a
Muhammad
prophet?
and Ali is a prophet. Yep.
Yeah, we're all future tellers here.
There is no prophet called Randy. Nowhere in the books.
That's right. I'm the best prophet of prophets. All knowing, all seeing, everyone bow to me.
I hope you like to be stoned.
Dang, CRWD looks really good. Well, that's exactly how it works. You're like a prophet for a while, and then they murder you, and they don't let you be. They don't ever want you to be right again. Amazon is killing it here, dude.
Have you? No, I was trying to refer to like drug use, but okay,
Oh, say it again then.
never mind. Too late.
Okay, darn
There
it.
was this funny meme about like two girls kissing, and the picture was like the way how fast way to get stoned in the Middle East.
And it was what again?
Two girls kissing.
Oh, two girls. Sorry, gotcha. Best way to get. That's sad. They should just sit back and enjoy.
Uh, and telling you jokes is kind of lame. They still didn't wake up. Your black humor is asleep. Dark humor. Damn it.
Yeah, it's a little. Are you getting yourself in trouble and calling yourself out for it now?
Nah, I'm just gonna find whatever.
That's awesome.
Okay, so Amazon is all-time high.
I'm envisioning Ellie telling a joke and then escorting himself off stage. Yeah, okay, I'm just gonna leave. That's awesome.
Um,
I love it. Microsoft. What's Microsoft doing? Dude, Microsoft's killing it. Tesla's really dragging my shit down right now. I don't know how to I almost have to unwind my positions. Not happy.
it's fine.
JJ may be the prophet.
Um, actually, it's not. Wait, what? Actually, Tesla doesn't look that. Uh, yeah, it's probably gonna go down a little bit. It's fine.
Yeah. I've got a shorter term call I should probably close.
All right, you do options. I forgot. Yeah, you probably need to close it.
Or I could sell some 700 calls. Although, I tried selling a bunch of Tesla options on Friday to try to capture some weekend premium because of the 3-day weekend, and it wouldn't let me
Yeah.
do any covered calls. I was pissed.
Why?
I don't know. It said,
Well,
you don't have enough money. I'm like, what do you mean I don't have enough money? I got all these options. I'm just trying to sell some other options. And it goes,
no,
no.
no, you can't.
Yeah.
Yeah, you need to do the margin account.
No, but even in I have options level 3 in my Roth IRA, and there goes Tesla lower. Son of a beeswax. Let's see if it'll let me do it today. Maybe it's a day thing. Although I kind of screwed up my premium gain I was going to get from the weekend. How's your weekend, Ellie? What'd you do for the 4th?
I did pretty cool barbecues. There was like a small, backyard party.
Nice.
Um, I do the barbecues. Everybody loved it.
Cool. Yeah, we try to have
Oh,
people over, but nobody wants to hang out with us, so it's just us.
what? I'm genuinely surprised.
Kind of us too. Everybody just nobody wanted to come over. We hang out with hermits, so I don't think that really helps.
Um,
Yeah, still won't let me do it.
that's how you call your kids now?
Hmm.
That's how you call your kids now?
What, hermits?
Yep.
No. Well, people, I don't know. We're older. People have their lives already kind of cemented in place, and
People and their lives.
well, what's really bullshit is my brother's a huge asshole, and
Oh.
they never come over to the house or invite us over to the house.
Wait, they live in Phoenix?
Yeah, they're like 3 miles away.
Lol, that's kind of fucked up.
That's what I just said. My brother's a huge asshole.
I mean, that's
So
not
he never invites.
surprising.
We like try to invite the cousins over, and like 70% of the time they say no. We're like, what the fuck?
Do you guys like on a different political scale? Maybe that's why.
No, he's just a huge asshole.
Okay. I mean, that runs in family then.
Yeah, it's pretty garbage. Kind of annoyed. I mean, I don't even care about my brother to be honest with you, but like the rest of them could come over. The kids and the wife can. She's cool, but then I don't know. A little annoying.
That sucks. Sorry to hear that.
Yeah, it doesn't. I mean, it doesn't always work out like that. It just happened to work out this time that way. So everybody just on screens all fucking day long. Really annoying. All right, Amazon holding
You
up
can
192. Good job.
you can't make a barbecue on the screen.
We did a barbecue actually. Yeah, we did a barbecue. It was yesterday we barbecued though. Not
Dude,
uh
Apple is going as well.
is it?
Yep, getting to all-time
Oh,
high.
it just started. Go Apple. All right, I got some other positions holding me back then. Probably freaking Tesla because I have a large position in Tesla right now.
Are we rotating into big caps?
Oh yeah, that's got to go.
Looks like we do rotate in the big caps.
Yeah, you got to look at the Yep. All right, so Apple's having a good day and Tesla not so much. So I might ditch. I don't know, man. Tesla's pissing me off. I may have to ditch my Tesla. I ditch
Yeah,
my shorter term Teslas.
interesting. Very interesting.
Yeah, it's been a long time I think since I've had to deal with a this type of a mixed thing, let alone when the thing I like the most isn't moving. Usually it's the opposite. Usually the thing I like the most moves and everything else does garbage, but this is plus I'm usually not this heavy in any singular asset. That could be a big flaw.
Um,
I just have to close some of these shorter term Tesla positions. And I got some going into September to go to 900 for Tesla.
wow. It did broke the flag down, actually.
I know it's up here in the top right on my screen the whole time. I just leave,
Um,
I just leave it
maybe
up
it's
there.
gonna close the gap, remember?
Oh, maybe gap and go. Close the
Yeah.
gap and then bounce out. It could. Yeah, it could.
I don't see a lot of volume, to be honest, maybe.
Yeah, intraday it's a little heavy. All right, Roku's consolidating nicely. That's one of my bigger positions on my cash account. Apple's the next biggest, and that's moving today. I've got Crocs. I'm on the fence on cutting Crocs, but it looks pretty good. And Tesla, I just get out of that.
I'm surprised airlines are not going.
No, it's about
They
tech. It's not about airlines. It's not about COVID.
no, but they reported this weekend like the record flights.
Oh, okay. Cool. Yeah,
So that's
they probably already knew that. That's why it's not running. They got analysts and all that shit, or they just don't care. That could be it too.
no, but I'm saying like on the 4th of July weekend, basically a lot of people were flying. How would they like, you know?
Yeah.
My friend was going to New York. He got like how it's called, I don't know, airline employee kind of spot. You know what I mean? Like
Yeah.
they put you on
The
whatever.
jump seat or whatever.
Yeah, and he said that the flight was full, and he was basically praying for somebody to drop off, which happened to him.
MRIN. Well, it's good he got to go at least. What the hell is this? Blez coming out with whatever this craziness is. Marin Software. Wow, someone learned how to write some code at a software company and their stock exploded. What do these guys do? And they're on the NASDAQ. Okay. Man, what a hell of a run. What were they at? $1. They were at 150. Now they're at 23 like 2 weeks later. Jeez. Must
Kind of too
research.
late to jump in.
Must research. Yeah, I know, but you still look at it. Wait for a consolidation or something. Yeah, it's way too late to
Like,
jump in.
could you let us know, like, you know, in advance?
Yeah, right. What's up, Blah? At least Rob told us when it was 0.0001. Yeah, you have some big shoes to live up to if you're gonna put some hypey stocks on our radar. That I don't think that will never be topped. Legitimately, in everyone here's lifetime, that will never be topped. Just realize what kind of a interesting privilege that was to witness that. That was pretty damn amazing. I gotta say. Wow, this thing looks like horrible dog crap. All right, how
The
about?
video is still going. To videos never stopping.
I know. I just need to put everything else I have into Nvidia, which isn't much right now because I dumped it in Amazon on Friday, so I don't really have much cash left. Okay, I need some additional. Provides cross-channel performance advertising cloud for search, social, and display advertising. They must have got a big partnership.
He retired on island.
Yeah, probably.
I hope so. His wish a goodbye. I bought a wish today, Mohammed.
Oh, I'm still researching. Marin 1 delivers customers revenue and ROI for digital advertisers not satisfied with performance will credit your platform fee. So they manage ad spend. Okay. Yeah, what's the market cap? That's what I wanted to look at. Is 222 million. Okay, so super tiny. I'd go to Finviz, but it would slow my entire computer down. Close this in like this. Yeah, that's super. Wish.
Yeah, but it could be a dead cat bounce, to be honest.
Oh, really good volume. It's intriguing. Wait for it to break. That's a cup and handle. Wait for it to break. And then good potential. You need to check the earnings and stuff too. That's always good.
I mean, like at 14?
Yeah, is that the level?
Yeah.
Context Logic. It's an ADR. Deposit rating of 6. Jesus, piece of garbage. Provides online retail services which enable merchandise and content be sold via Wish.com. Yeah. That's like the super cheap garbage stuff, right?
Yeah.
Good sales, 75%. Not that good though. Yeah, if you want it, I'd get it over 14. The volume is intriguing on it. That's about it. Tesla's still taking its haircut today. They're punishing the valuation, I guess. Only thing I can think of.
Go Amazon.
Yeah, no shit. I really wish it would let me sell a call. I'd hold some of these Tesla positions. I'm flat on Tesla, but Amazon and Microsoft are pumping super hard. So I'm slowly moving up, but it's not
you're gonna
good.
be late to the, like, for example, I wouldn't buy Nvidia right now. I mean,
Oh,
I don't know.
Nvidia
It looks scary, to be honest.
looks great. The problem is the 4-to-1 coming up on July 20th. That's the problem. Is that stock split? We've had Apple stopped on a stock split, Tesla stopped on a stock split. Doesn't always happen, but you never know. 4-to-1's a big one. CLOV.
Dude, Apple is still going, 2% up.
Clove is not a
Actually,
good
at
buy
all-time
today.
high.
Yeah, you should buy Apple or Amazon. Shouldn't
Wow,
buy
thank.
shouldn't buy something diving into the dirt, buy something rising into the sky.
I
Don't buy
mean,
dirt divers.
looks like we're rotating into big caps.
That means this NASDAQ run is just getting started. If you don't know what to do, just buy the TQQQ.
I can't. None of my brokers allow me to buy it.
I'm just talking to other people too.
Oh,
Like if Muhammad wants to buy something diving into the dirt, just buy the TQQQ instead. Oh, check out my TQQQ work, guys. I did some work on it over the weekend. Almost put a all call out for analysis. I guess we can do it today though. Check this shit out. So there's the history of the TQQQ. And it actually goes back a little further. This is just all that TradingView has. So this thing has doubled 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 in about 10 years. Doubled 7 times in 10 years through bear markets and all that crap. That gets you a shit ton of money, by the way. I made a calculator. If anybody wants to give me a dollar figure, I can tell you what 7 doublings of that would be. And that's the average is 590 days for it to double, and the total length is 11.32 years, and it just broke out into the next potential doubling. So you put $100,000 in there. If you put it in a Roth IRA or something tax advantage for 100,000, 6.4 million. If you double that 7 times, if you do it in a cash account, it's only about 878,000. In a cash account where you have to pay taxes. And that's at income rates. That's not at capital gains rates. Haven't done that yet. But that's pretty dope right there. For just a set it and forget it strategy for the TQs. That's beautiful.
But it's not set and forget. You did measure move.
Well, no, technically it is. Although you can outperform if you avoid the bear markets. But no, this is not even taking into account any drops. Now it comes back from every drop, even this coronavirus drop. Like it was scary as shit, but it bounced right back.
Oh, this coronavirus drop, remember, it jumped back. It bounced pretty sharply.
No, but I'm just saying. Yeah, but I'm just saying, like it's set it and forget it since its inception. It's never gone to zero. Never even come close. I don't think it can. But by the nature of the beast, I don't think you can't ever percentage your way down to zero, is my point. Even if you're down 90%, it'll be down 90%. It won't be down 100%. And if the market bounces back, I mean, you don't want to be down 90%. But at the same time, that's why you market time, right? But if you're having a hard time playing individual names, if you're not outperforming this, then this is what you do. That's my general thesis.
And then we should jump into TQQ.
Yeah, If you're not outperforming the TQQQs, you jump in the TQQQs.
Okay.
That's kind of my general. It's been my thesis now for several years. Fortunately, I've been outperforming the TQs.
If you can.
If you can, some people can't, and that's okay. I mean, for a long time I was second guessing trading options and all this garbage. I'm like, I was buy the fucking TQs. I'm like, that thing's phenomenal, and I still believe that because most people aren't going to do this kind of stuff. But yeah, I looked at my kid's account, and even that's outperforming the TQs, so not doing too bad there. All right, let's take a,
Muhammad, answering your question, AI is not in a good place.
what's he got? Oh, AI.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it's looks like it wanna find a penny in the floor.
Yeah, choppy garbage lower, unfortunately. Got to get above 74. Good volume though. It could start to, if it starts to form something bullish, you can keep an eye on it, but it's not doing anything bullish. So,
MACD is negative.
is it?
Yeah.
Gotcha. Cool. All right, Cyber 2.75. Cyber may be trying to reverse out. That's interesting. Wait for an ISO pocket pivot, maybe. Yeah, you have a couple names up there. AMC. Blez got some names up there. AMC popped up, selling off this morning. I'm not a big fan of the meme stocks. Just not. It's not something I do. It's not for me. It's too much. MRIN. Yeah, I gotta wait on that one, I think.
If you miss the timing before pop on those like crazy stocks, I wouldn't touch it, to be honest.
Yeah, that's a lot. Amazon 2.5. Damn, I need to. These options are so damn expensive though. I can't even.
Yeah, it's easier to buy stock at this point.
Yeah, you can buy the stock right now. Hell yeah, 2.6% up from the breakout level. And look at the volume. Tremendous volume. Absolutely great.
And you're finally going to 4,000.
I hope so. I think my target's 4,200. And that would actually be like the first big trick. That's a full position size for me right now. So that'd be a full position win for me, which is freaking amazing. I got one for Microsoft, but it wasn't near a full position. It was tiny. It was way too small.
My target on Amazon would be 5,000, to be honest.
Okay.
And I don't see a target for 1,000. How do you measure it?
Let's see what I did. Oh, I think it's a measured move. Looks like it's a measured move. Treating that whole consolidation as just a bull flag from the low. Just right there.
Yeah.
That's no majorly scientific way, but I mean, you could derive a 20. Actually, yeah, if you derive a 20% target from 3,500 to get you to 4,000, if I remember, or maybe that's what it is. 3,500 times 1.2, 4,200 as well. So they both get you up to about the 42. So the measure move gets you to 43, and I just took the more conservative target of 42.
Okay.
So that's 20%. You can take 25%. I mean, we never know how far they're going to go, but all I know is Bezos needed to buy another country, and so he ordered a run in the stock.
Order it on Amazon. Like, Alexa,
Yes.
buy me another country.
Yeah, I think he has his own shop just for Jeff. And one of the things is Amazon Bull Run, and he just clicked Prime buy now.
What about Amazon Fresh? You would want a fresh country. You would want to,
Depends. It depends if you're. Well, Bill Gates has that for Microsoft. He's got a fresh button. Oh, first Bill Gates kid sex slam joke. Bam. Speaking of Microsoft,
I don't see a joke there, but okay.
Microsoft Fresh. You don't see a joke with Fresh?
What about it?
It's pretty good. It's a pretty good one.
So Blair's
Space.
asking about space, but I don't know. The candle pattern looks like shit.
It did fill the gap. It did hold up. I've been on the crypto show. I've been reading the hold on a second. I'll give you guys a link to this. I found a PDF version of it so I can go through it with everybody. Trade Like an O'Neill Disciple Excellent, really excellent book. Just a phenomenal. Actually, I should print this and just download it. Um. Uh.
Okay, now we can see all the porn. Come on, guys, screenshot it.
No, you want to see something funny? Check this out.
Okay.
This is funny. So I've got a really big backup drive, and I've got a folder called "Definitely Not Porn,"
Yeah.
and then it says, "I told you it's not
Tell
porn."
us. Oh, damn it.
Sicko.txt.
Very
I think
boring. Your kid's gonna be disappointed.
that's true. One day they will be. I don't think there's even it's just a blank file. There's not even nothing in it. But yeah,
Okay.
you know what? I've never thought about that. You're probably 100% right. My kids are the only ones that'll ever find that, but I still think it's hilarious. Anyway,
Put their family pictures.
yeah, I should put taxes in there or something.
So
Like I
put a
told you.
picture of you judgely looking in the camera.
Oh, with my finger wagging, I could do that. My wife has one with me in cop glasses and my finger wagging.
Yeah.
That's a little creepy though. Imagine if that were to happen. What would you think as a kid? Like either my dad knows everything or he's the
Yes.
creepiest person on the planet.
That's the same concept.
Yeah, fair enough. But anyway, so we were reading yesterday about this. He talks about making 1,000% in 1999, and he talked about kind of ignoring all these small wiggles in these larger runs. And I'm loosely attributing it to space because I tend to hyper overanalyze, and I think that may be what we're doing here because I mean overall this is not a bad setup respecting the 10 and the 20-day moving average, so could be a pullback buy on space. I'm trying to change my view to a little bit more bullish now that the market is really showing a lot of bullish sentiment. It looks like Tesla's bounced after filling the gap finally, so hopefully
with the space, if you go back to December 10 of 2020, it has similar pop and pattern and candle pattern.
Oh, to that topping area right there. Yeah, a little bit. Yeah, well, I think it's a little bit different. Yeah, I do think it's different. I mean, look at the volume underneath it right here. This is a lot of volume. This is probably when Richard Branson was doing his flight thing when he was trying to get it ready, and the people in the know knew Richard Branson was going to be going on his flight. That's about a month ago. So this is all your insiders buying, and this could be them all selling up here from 20 to 60 like that. That could be the sale right there. But your accumulation distribution still looking okay. Anyway,
you have like more than 10% drop. Yeah, 20% drop from all-time high. Then you had this like crazy candle which just jumps in and sells off completely. Like that candle before the day before, it was a candle which opened at top and then sold all the way down to almost like a 0% move. I don't know, it looks pretty weird. At least to me.
yeah, but I mean, for the moment, until it's not, it's being supported. You got the 10-day,
right.
you got the 20-day, you got trend lines. Even it's just being supported. I see what you're saying, and I agree. There is distribution, but it's not enough to take it all the way down yet. And until it does that, I think I don't know.
But by space, let us know how it goes.
Yeah, I'm kind of in the benefit of the doubt mode with the market being so bullish. That's kind of my premise.
I don't see it as a bullish. I see like institutions rotated into big caps, and big caps are running. But
speaking of big caps,
market...
Amazon's at 3% now.
What?
And you know what 3% means for an option? 36%. Bam.
Dude, I'm good. I'm good here. Okay.
I bet you
can retire now. Bye.
I know. I don't know. I don't know why you were being so obstinate with me last week about it.
Dude, I had this for some reason I couldn't go to sleep like a day ago. Sunday, yeah, yeah. And I was thinking about like imagine going back in time year and a half ago. Like not a lot, like just going before the COVID hit.
Yeah.
All of the Dogecoin crypto run, all of the Tesla runs, all of the GameStop, AMC, whatever BS. I,
Oh,
I was like
geez.
I was this stuff I couldn't go to sleep, so I was like calculating all the numbers. I was it's easily to hit 30 mil was all of that knowledge. I was just blown away.
Yeah. Well, yeah. I don't doubt it a bit. Forehand knowledge. But let's talk about NIO and are we bullish or just buying big caps? I mean both. We're bullish and buying big caps.
We're bullish on the big caps. That's an answer.
And you're bullish on the big cap. All of it. I mean, they've
No,
already
I
been
I
they've already been moving. This is not something new. We've been discussing this.
So NIO. I have a mixed feelings about it because I have this position. I really don't like the sharp turns.
I'll be right
So
back.
I, w- I would wait for it to build some sort of cup. If you're holding the position, um, I don't know what to tell you, to be honest. If you go back, for example, right, and look into historically how NIO is moving, it has a lot of those like um, sharp turnarounds, right? And so usually it base after that. So I would wait for it to base, basically. Maybe around like 45 or something. But if you're holding it for long, I wouldn't quit it right now. It's fine.
Hello?
Yes.
Oh, I'm back.
I was talking about Neo,
Gotcha.
that it's still bullish for a long run, but I think it could take some time to like build a base right now. This 180 reversal is not inspiring. Sim electric cars are like out of steam right now, and at least people are rotating out of them.
Yeah. Later, Blah's out. He's going to TQQQ it.
Till tomorrow, I don't think that's how the strategy works. I don't think you heard Randy. He said you go TQQ for a decade.
That's right. For decades. Hey, man, even
Mm.
800% over. Oh, so what is that? What's 800% over, what is it? 11 years? What does that average out? Do I just do 800 divided by 11 and that's the percentage return? That's 72% annually. That's freaking bonkers. I don't think that's how it works though. Or is it?
No. No.
Times 1.72 times 1.72 times
Imagine Black coming in tomorrow is like, where is my 700%?
1.72.
I bought TQQ yesterday. You promised me.
Yeah, you bastard.
When is moon? When moon?
I guess that's about right. So 72% average return annually.
Dude,
That's crazy, dude. Oh yeah,
dude.
I was gonna make a compounding calculator, but then I
Dude,
didn't.
there are so many compounding calculators
I
online.
know, I know. I can't
You don't
find one
want
that I
to.
really like and actually save and use.
Doesn't
Anyway,
matter. Really doesn't matter. It's a dream money anyway. It's the same as me calculating like how much would I magically do if I travel in time.
true. I mean, but yeah, I know. It's just good to do
Just
stuff
good
with.
to dream sometimes. No, like the compound calculator is done when you talking to some friend and he's like, stock market is a bunch of scam, and you're like, no, just look at the as this. Like,
Mm,
imagine you're doing 7% a year, not 70. How
yeah,
much you will make if you start investing?
Vlad needs to buy a CRWD. That thing's broken out from its little tight consolidation.
Mohammed is a fellow dreamer.
Yes.
That's how prophets works, Mohammed. I don't know if you know that. Majority of the prophets actually had their prophecies in dreams. Only one guy, which
Damn
was
it. Son of a
Moses,
bitch.
had a prophet when he was awake. Same thing.
Prophets of
Muhammad.
prophets.
Same thing. That's why they're called prophets.
Wow, small caps are getting murdered today.
That's what I'm saying.
The Russell 2000. Holy crap. Small
That's what I'm
caps are getting
saying.
killed. DocuSign, Shen. Ah, FIVN. Look at that. Wow. That looks fairly damn impressive. Accumulation distribution is
Mohammed,
already in new
if we're gonna
highs.
start our training company, we should call it that.
What? Prophets of
Profit,
profits?
profit,
The profit
profit,
profits?
profits. Yeah.
Done.
Or
Absolutely
short
done.
or short PP. I'm gonna call it a big.
PP. Big PP. Big profit of profits.
Dude, how did they censor censor it? Why would you like what's wrong with you?
D-Dog's starting to move. Arms a little low, but it's starting to go. Dude, we would murder because we'd probably go like half TQQQ and just let it sit there. Like, why wouldn't you? It just doesn't make any sense to not do that.
Then now they have in Tesla. I got it.
And then we
Easy.
would have quarter in Tesla, and then we would trade options on the rest of it. And we would
No.
just do like, how are you
So-
getting 70% a year? Like Jim Simmons. Net.
I don't know. Yeah, whenever I hear this, like oh, it's a good thing if your profit is 7% a year. I'm like, no, it's not. It's terrible profit. Like that's
Yeah.
like
I agree.
that's like losing money at this point.
Yeah. Yeah, 7% a year is garbage. Absolute garbage. I feel really, really sorry for people that think that's good. Like, oh, that's really good. Like, no, that's not really good. Like, you don't, first of all, you're under, I don't know, I'm flipping my, I'm really solidifying my views on financial management of people's money and how they need to do their money. Damn, Amazon's killing it today. And then I get these guys on Reddit that talk about market timing doesn't work. And I'm just like, it really gets my blood boiling. The worst part is when they go, you can't time the market, not talking about me specifically, but just talking, in a post generally, like you can't time the market. I'm like, no, you can't time the market. Like I went off on a post on some dude one time, like, don't tell me what the fuck, and he started arguing with me. I'm like, how are you arguing with me about something that I can do? Like, how is this even a thing?
No, but the thing is that they have a way shorter horizon. Anyway.
Well, whatever their horizon is, I can time that.
No, you can't time daily trading because that's what all they do. Majority of people.
No. These are the retirement people. These are the index fund only people.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, no, not the day trading. Of course, they believe they can time the market. Most of them just aren't very good at it. I'm not great at day trading, but much better at the swing longer trading shit. Now I want to jump on some Reddit thread and jump down some dude's throat that says I can't time the market. I'm like, come on, Reddit.
Wait,
Hello out there in cryptocurrency land. Welcome back to Real Crypto, where we take the markets one leg at a time. Oh, that's my new video. Sorry.
We had Amazon.
Did you guys see my new video? Or I'll post it. You guys can watch it later.
Did we sell Amazon?
You sold it?
No. Sorry, ignore me.
Good. Dude, Amazon's murdering today. Absolutely murdering. All right, I need to jump back on the freaking bandwagon over
Shit,
here.
I was wrong.
About what?
I was wrong.
We know, but about what?
About Amazon.
You told him to sell?
Yeah.
Hey, you were talking not very good the past couple weeks about Amazon. I don't doubt that. Tell them to buy back in. Say, hey, I'm wrong. Buy back in if you sold,
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
because it's just freaking gone.
Mm-hmm. This sucks.
I explained to you in detail, Ellie. Like and you still weren't believing me. I think you're just too emotionally invested in this particular name.
Yeah.
That's really what it is. You're just so emotionally invested that I mean, there's a big cup and handle staring right there, and you just you couldn't see it. It's like snow blindless, money blind. Maybe that's what we should call it. You're money blind. I'm like Tesla money blind a little bit, just just for full acknowledgement of this of the syndrome. Yeah, I've definitely been money blind before. I was money blind with all my big losses. Yeah, I was money blind with what was it? I forget. It wasn't Starbucks. It was something else. I don't know. I've been money blind with a couple stocks. Yeah, Mastercard money blinded me early this year. Fucked me. Money blind. That's a good way to say it. Money blind. I like it.
No, but the thing is, you need to understand. Like, I hold Amazon as like investment.
No, I know.
I don't actually sell it. So,
I think it weighs on
and
you though.
I've been a dick. Yeah, it does. I've been a dick to others and
Well,
uh
that's your
told
default.
him.
You,
Yeah, but
you,
this one I was special.
oh, okay. You were big PP.
Yeah. Uh, no, small PP.
You were small PP. Oh, well, that's not that big of a dick then.
Yeah, no, when you're being dick to someone, that means you have a small PP, so you need to compensate.
Oh, fair enough. It's like the big truck syndrome. You're big
Yeah,
truck syndroming them.
yeah, yeah. Big PP doesn't, bother
That's true.
was being. It's not nervous, It's a diamond hands. It's a diamond PP.
Yeah, yeah, fair enough. I know all too well what that feels like.
In your butt.
I can't turn it around that far. Quad
Over the
UFUV.
over the shoulder.
Oh, yeah, there you go. Cyber. I do like how Cyber looks. I've been waiting for this little thing to move for maybe it's gonna start going. CyberArk. Volume kind of garbage
Um,
on it, but it's
what about space? Like, it would be crazy if it's gonna build another Kendall.
I'm not mad at space. I think it's such a I, I don't own any of it. I'll say that I don't own any of it, but I'm really not that mad at it. Like the announcements recently have been pretty good. I think I'm loosely sold on the fact this was all insider buying, and this is all those people insider selling. They took like 100% profit over a month. But if you eliminate that, it's still not that bad. It's still
Hmm.
kind of up overall. And they are starting some operations. So I'm going to try to give them the benefit of the doubt. Until they fail again, then I would want nothing to do with them. Nothing. Ooh, Amazon has a red candle. Sell it all.
Okay, quick sell.
Ah, it's green again. I can't.
Damn. Buy.
Buy. Sell.
Sell.
Buy.
Buy.
All right, Trade Desk doing good. Microsoft. Damn, I'm very annoyed when Microsoft trade is as small as it is. Even it's only 4.5% of my portfolio after 184% profit. It was a micro position. That is garbage. That is freaking garbage.
Yeah, the good thing I didn't tell them to sell Microsoft.
I guess Amazon's.
Their account is up 30% on Microsoft.
Oh, good. Yeah, Microsoft's been gangbusters the whole year. Really,
Yeah, but the position is not big. It's just 10% of the account. Apple, for example, on the other
10%'s not
hand,
bad.
is doing. You Apple is 20%
Oh,
of the account and is doing well.
go Apple, 2%. Good, good, good. All right, Tesla bounced off the gap. Hopefully we're done with that garbage. I'm in a weird spot with my account because the market's going. I got two really good positions. I got a few positions that aren't doing so hot. But my account is basically stagnant, which usually in this environment, my account's up a good 20, 30%. But it's basically, which is, so I knew this was going to be a problem with me holding so much damn Tesla.
Yeah.
So I'm a
Same
little
as
bit,
me, by the way.
yeah, I'm a little bit torn. I'm just being honest with you guys, throwing it out there. I'm a little bit torn between either stripping out the Tesla position into a whole different account so I don't have to look at it, and then just trading like I normally do, or yeah, I guess that's probably my only option. Like I don't want to sell the full Tesla position, but if Tesla ain't gonna do
Kinda
shit for the
answered
next,
your own-
huh?
You kind of answered your own question.
Yeah, maybe. Well, that's why I talk into the microphone. Sometimes that happens when you try to explain it out, right? What's the programming symptom, or what's it called? Rubber ducking it.
Mm-hmm.
Basically, rubber ducking investment
I
advice.
had on saying, uh, I don't know, Mohammed. I wouldn't buy it. I'm just gonna be honest with you.
AI. Mohammed, why you stuck on these stocks? Are you stuck in buy low, sell high?
I think
Did he read
he's in love.
books?
He had some profits on AI, and you just fell in love with the stock. Don't do that.
Where would you get profits on AI? There's like only 2 small runs on it, maybe 3. Maybe 3. This is really choppy. I think Muhammad read too many buy low, sell high books. There's a lot of those out there.
So if you make a trend line, from the previous two tops, then
Oh, geez.
the break should be at 62. That should be like buy point. I wouldn't
Oh,
touch it right now, to be honest.
down here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But the pattern itself doesn't look very promising. I would wait for it to break previous top, to be honest, to be very confident. Like
Yeah.
buy at
So
66.
he's probably looking at support here at 60. Is
Oh,
probably what he's looking at.
I'm holding AI and just sold it. Oh, you should have said it right away. If you're holding it, you can hold it. It's not really broken.
Muhammad read no books. Okay. So I mean, there is some
Muhammad
support at
Rodman.
60. The question is when's it going to start a move? That's the question. From
Yeah, but
my,
look at this pattern.
well, it's a multiple inverted head and shoulders. It's actually not the worst pattern in the world, but it's still near a low. It does. I mean, the whole market's kind of moving right now. You got the Nasdaq, been really rocking it the past couple of weeks, and AI is just like, it's a little bit like Tesla right now. It's a little bit disappointing. Um, I'd rather stick into one of the stocks that are moving right now, and it's hard to know when these. That I think that's something that is sometimes forgotten. It's hard to know when something is going to move until it starts to move. And if you're going to be involved, you need to stick with the top 1% of the stocks, and those are the ones that are moving. Amazon, Microsoft, Apple right now, and then you had Nvidia, which is still going as well. I mean, there's been a myriad of stocks that we've been covering that have been moving. And so you got to kind of focus on those, the ones that are setting up near highs, ready to go. Because if something's down that far, then there's a reason, like CRWD, talk about how tight this has been. It's breaking out today. So, there's the rotation with all of these names. And, HubSpot, that's breaking out this morning as well. Like you look at something like HubSpot here, that's an all-time high breakout. Some people are scared to buy up there, but that's when these things start to move higher, is on the all-time high breakout. They don't come from the low, come all the way up. I mean, they do, but it's really hard to time that. Really, really difficult to know when something like an AI is going to go. Now, if you're going to have 40 positions, and you're going to catch some of those for longer term that are going to curl up, but it's not like cryptocurrency. Like that's kind of Bob's strategy. Bob kind of has a spread them thin and let them pop. But in crypto, you can get 1,000% run, in a month or two on a really small cap. You can't get that in the stock market. I don't think that works the same way. So I think you have to keep it more solidified, stay in tune with who the leaders are and try to identify them before they go. And those are the ones that we really try to focus on. The ones sitting in highs, reversals from large, big, high bases, all the good stuff. All-time high breakouts. Twitter actually doesn't look like hot garbage. That's almost a viable double bottom base with a buy point at about 74. It's actually almost viable. Airbnb. Mohammed, why do I speak words? I just spoke words. This does not match words. Ignore Airbnb. ANET. Get something that's poking up. You want something to go up. Get something that's going up.
What's wrong with Airbnb?
What's wrong with Airbnb?
Yeah.
What do you mean? What's wrong with Airbnb? I just had this whole lovely speech that I improvised here about holding on stuff that's like near highs, and this does not fit that criteria. Huh?
Yeah. He wants to buy low and sell high.
He wants to buy low and well, then he can buy low and sell high. But I'm not going to say it looks good.
Airbnb looks fine. What's wrong with it? Really? I'm just curious, like the pattern wise. Do you have any objections about it going up right now?
I mean, I don't hate it. It's not completely diving into the dirt, but it's still under a resistance level here, 160 give or take. I mean, it's not
pretty flat.
Well, compared to what though? Compared to something that's moving 3% every day, it looks like shit.
No, but for example, just hear me out, right? For example, that could be an option play because you have low volatility happening for the last months, right? And you could potentially get a measure move to 166 or something like this. And why not? It could be a pretty good option trade.
Well, you could say that for any stock. You could say that for any stock in the market. This is not a leading stock. This is not a leading stock. It's down significantly from 219. I mean, it's.
Yeah, but it's similar to Zoom, right? Like it's the only stock in that area.
It's not similar to Zoom. It's not at all similar. Zoom, first of all, it's an IPO, so you don't have all the history behind it. Zoom has a very well-defined declining wedge, which broke out and has been doing relatively well, which is in an upward trajectory. Airbnb looks like you're kind of, going on with our flaccid jokes here. That's kind of what that looks like, a little floppy. Little floppy rolling up.
Actually, Zoom looks amazing right now.
What's that?
Actually, Zoom looks amazing right now.
Right now?
Yeah.
Yeah. I was talking about it when it was under the trend line. And you were giving me crap about it. But yeah.
No, I wasn't.
So you were.
I never told any shit about Zoom.
You didn't was it Peloton? It was Zoom or Peloton is one of those.
Peloton. Yeah.
Was it Peloton? Oh, maybe I'm wrong. And Peloton did something similar.
I'm
Yeah, Peloton had a...
I'm a true believer.
I think I got out of Peloton. I only have a few Roku, Apple, Clark, Snap. Yeah, I got out of almost everything. Well, not almost everything, but... Oh, I have a lot of cash right now. I could buy something. Woohoo!
Right. What's the symbol on Peloton?
For what? You're like across the room. I can't hear you.
What's the symbol on Peloton? Oh, pizza. Yeah, it does look good.
You sound exactly the same. I still can't hear you.
What about
Phil GT? Man, Shopify looks beautiful.
What about now?
What did I buy in? Did I have Shop? I do
What
not
about
have
now?
shop. A little better, but yeah, a little better.
Hmm. What about now?
What are you doing? Are you are
Oh,
you are you not across the room from your microphone?
no.
Oh, okay.
I'm twiddling with controls on whatever.
Gotcha. Muhammad's got to go do the work thing. All right, Muhammad, go do the work thing. And buy something going into highs, not something going into lows. Have a great day. I guess that's a pretty good gain. Really pissed my Microsoft was so small. Ah, my workhorse position was bigger than my Microsoft position, and they're kind of just paying for each other right now.
Um, I don't know why you like our horse. It doesn't look
I
good for
don't
me.
either. It was a bad trade. It really
So
was.
sell it.
It
So
really.
get out of it. It's not. It's not good.
Well, hold on a second. So, first of all, I did sell a call on it, so I got a little bit back, and I have it until August, so I'm going to wait for it to bounce a little bit. I don't think it's going to cave into the dirt, but I don't think it's going to. I don't know. I should have cut it. I should have cut it earlier. Now, so what I've noticed is that sometimes when something's down too far, um, and then it bounces back, I could have sold it and lost less. So
Yeah,
I'm gonna attempt to do that on workhorse so I can reallocate that capital.
that happens to me a lot.
Yeah, so I'm just being a little bit more patient with it and wait for it to bounce. The problem is going to happen is that it's going to bounce to a level where I probably should have sold it last week. Freaking option, man. When these things, because I'm usually not in this position where I'm stuck
Mm-hmm.
holding a big loser. Still happens obviously because it is happening, but
Mm-hmm.
I've noticed that the expirate, like the decay in the option when this thing doesn't break out, is brutal. It's absolutely brutal.
Um.
So maybe I should just sell it.
Yeah. I don't know. It to be honest was how it looks for me. It looks like it's just gonna go and close the gap at 11.
Yeah, it may. It could. Nasdaq's pulled back
Um.
0.17. Amazon's pulled back a tiny, tiny bit.
mm,
Apple's pulled back. All right, we're in the mid-morning pullback.
It's fine.
Oops, what did I click? IQ somehow. Doyu. Muhammad would like that name right there. Bam. That looks like support. Sorry, that was
You're
mean.
mean.
That was too
So
mean.
mean.
That was too mean. I'm just having fun.
I don't even know if anybody's watching it.
Probably not. Geez, IVR three man, IVR. Look at that, has not gotten off those lows. Wow.
Yeah, but IVR, look, it moves in those patterns. Like, just look at its history. It's totally fine. That's like,
It looks like a big L. Like I could teach my
oh,
child to
but
write the uppercase
no,
letter L with the weekly chart of IVR.
the same pattern at January 27, the same pattern at June 15 of 20. Just go back in the history. That makes those kind of moves all the time. That's like that's how it moves. You know, some creatures are moving differently than the others.
Yeah.
It's just whatever.
It's not for me.
Oh yeah, I've sold it. I got money on this run and sold it.
Yeah. I'm
I just don't. I'm actually thinking maybe I should buy there now.
no, I'm sticking with. Oh, I was talking about that book that I gave you guys the link to right there on the section where he talks about how he made 1,000%. He was in 2 stocks. That was his portfolio. 2. Talk about hyper focus, Ellie. 2. That's how you make 1,000% in the stock market. You can't have 30, 40 stocks playing with this small piddly bullshit, guessing bottoms. No,
Dude,
you
I
got to.
made more than 1,000% in Amazon.
Well, that's because you worked there. You didn't trade that.
That's not.
You didn't
No, I
build
did
that.
not.
to
Actually, I
quote,
did build that if you talk about this.
yeah, right. Yeah, to quote Obama, you didn't build that. That was the Obama. Remember that one?
Uh,
Talk about taken out of context. That was like blatantly taken out of context.
I mean, I think that politicians can say those kind of sentences because they never build anything, so fuck them. They just talk.
Yeah, but unfortunately, that's
No,
where
we have
a lot of.
different positions. Yeah, I remember.
No, I know, but I mean, politics is reality. You can't ignore reality. It's not that politics
Uh,
doesn't exist. Of course, it exists. You can't. No matter what you think about it, it's
you
still
can
there. It's kind of like Amazon. No matter what you think about it, it's still there.
you can ignore it.
No, yeah, you can. Absolutely, you can choose to ignore it.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's true.
And nothing will change in my life except I'm gonna be better. No stress. And I feel nice. And great.
Transports. Ooh, I don't like that. Transports bear flag breaking down. Ooh, I don't like that. That could be a problem for indexes. Are you familiar with transports leading the market, Ellie?
No.
Yeah, there's a theory, and it's generally correct, believe it or not, that the transports lead the market because these transportation indexes they show the goods flowing across the United States of America. So if there's less goods flowing across the United States of America for whatever reason, then there's less economic activity. So we got a little minor breakdown from a lot of technical indicators right here on the transports. Hope it's not a big fake out in the frickin' large caps. That's gonna piss me off.
Hey, that looks terrible.
That's my point. That's what I just said. I said that looks no
That does
bueno.
look incredibly bad.
I know. And we'll give it a little bit of time. Keep an eye on it. Speaking of that, here's a railroad, Norfolk Southern. I think Berkshire Hathaway bought a bunch of this. Is it this one or? Yeah, I think it's this one. Berkshire owns a bunch of that. May own the whole damn thing. Dude's got enough cash. You should just buy all companies. Guy's way too much cash. All right, so lots of stocks in the negative here today. So 0.24, we've kind of bounced off of our mid-morning low here. I should have done more homework over the weekend. Oh, I got a presentation to do today. So I got to spend time doing that.
Wait, what? What presentation?
I am giving a class
Where?
on technical analysis. It's a place called Block Geeks. They have a course that they're selling, and I'm doing 2 classes on technical analysis.
Interesting.
Second time I'm doing it. First one went well. I was one of the it's the highest rated speaker they had. They had like 16 speakers, and I don't know if I was the number one, but they didn't order it like yeah, you're the best. But the metrics, I was on top of all the good ones, so that's good.
Dude, what do you think about Uber?
Uber? I'll look at it. Generally, I don't like a lot of Uber. Is it towards highs or looking better?
Getting frisky.
Frisky. I like frisky. Ooh, Nike looks frisky. That's frisky. Holy gap and go. Yeah, they had the bonkers. Did they have the bonkers earnings or was that Foot Locker?
Yeah.
Yeah, they're gone. They're starting to go. Ooh, MJ.
So now,
Uh,
Randy, when nobody's watching, we can watch our secret list of stocks which are making a lot of money. Let's do it.
okay. Amazon, Microsoft.
No,
Plus,
but what do you think about Uber?
all right, let me look at Uber. I got way too many stocks on my watch list here. Not super bad. Yeah, not too mad at the consolidation. It is popping up.
Yeah, it's kind of getting out of the trend and thinking that it's gonna probably start moving.
Maybe, yeah. I don't know. I
I
don't
have
like.
an, I have a, I have an option to 55.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, there you go. I think that could be. Yeah, that could be a thing. Bigger picture wise, I really don't care for Uber.
I don't care about Uber. I care about money.
Yeah. No, I'm saying generally. It's too. There's no major. There's nothing major here. There's no chart patterns. There's no major accumulation. It looks like a lot of random shit. So I think random shit's in your favor to 55 though.
What about Salesforce?
A lot less random. That looks pretty constructive. Yeah, there's almost a long-term turnaround play.
It broke up.
Actually, it is a long-term. Oh yeah, this was my long-term turnaround play that I never bought. Yeah, this happens to me constantly. Yeah, it's already it's already a little extended.
It's fine. Actually, it just broke up from the consolidation.
Mm-hmm.
It's less than 10% up, so like it should be fine to buy.
Actually, that. I don't know if that is a base, but I'm not disagreeing with you. Not a classical IBD thing, but it is. Yeah, that is a nice little consolidation. Yeah, I'm not mad at that. Looks good. Maybe back to 284. Float back up.
I think at least, yeah, at minimum.
Yeah.
Just like $30, which is 10%. Yeah, sounds great.
Yeah, it looks good. Would like to get it on the breakout, but obviously we can't go back in time. Oh, so you said something earlier. I was going to interrupt you, but I was trying not to be rude because I think I do that too much. You were talking about only going back in time a year and a half. And I was thinking to myself, oh, okay, so it's easier to go back in time less time than more time. So it'd be harder to go back in time a million years. It'd be less hard to go back in time a year.
Yeah. I mean, that's stupid.
I just want to make sure I understand you correctly.
Yeah, you're right. I mean, it's in your head, you know, when you bargain was unknown force, and you're like, at least year and a half. I'm not asking.
You're like, come on, just a year and a half. That's it, guys.
Yeah,
I was like,
just a little bit. Yeah, that happens to me a lot.
Jeez, I have a lot of Quora posts in the past. Yesterday, I don't know why I was pretty heavy on Reddit and Quora. Just wanted to typey, I guess. But pretty good. Yeah, CRM's going for it right now. It's not bad. Good volume today too. Man, my global watch list is way too thick. Where's my actionable list? I don't know. Go away. There we go. All right, team is still looking good. Okay, let's go. Let's look at our Amazons again. Still up 3.42. Oh, I'm so freaking annoyed. Yeah, I couldn't buy any more Amazon. I had to actually adjust my position to account for the damn size of those options. I had to go out further in strike price because I couldn't quite afford 2. I'm like, son of a bitch. You need a lot of money to trade Amazon. Microsoft's doing good too. 42% for Amazon now.
Nice. But I bought Space Trade.
You bought what?
I bought Space.
Oh, okay.
A very small position just to have it in the list.
Did you
Uh,
so you sold that 60 call you sold, was that for a week or two ago whenever you did that? Or is that still going?
uh, for what? What are you
Remember
talking
you,
about?
you said you were gonna sell a oh no, you sold that when you sold your space position.
Yeah, I
That's right.
will. Yeah, I will
Sorry.
be closed. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I'm out of it.
Gotcha.
Yeah, I just got in back in um because of your bullish talk.
Oh, that's not a good reason to get in.
It is. I'm now listening to your every word.
My every word. That's a little dangerous. I don't know I don't know what I want to do. I've got a lot of positions. I got a lot of Tesla positions. Workhorse that is it's not quite hedged, but it'll make it's stupid. Workhorse position. I don't know, maybe I should just cut it just to get it off my fucking
Do
plate.
you do you, do you have to? Like, are you like out of cash?
Oh yeah, I only have $2,000 cash. I
Okay,
can't
then
really can't do
sure.
anything. My cash account, I've got like 30% cash, so that I can do stuff there if I want to. But
Hmm.
no, my big account's not going up, and I'm a little annoyed by that. It's like I made this massive gain, and then I evaporated it, and now I'm trying to get it back, but it's not moving when the market's moving. So because I have this massive Tesla position, so one thing with me that is a problem, and it is a big problem, is I never stop iterating. So I had this strategy that, got me about 200% per year, and it's not going to do that this year because I changed it because I have this massive Tesla stock hold, which I've never held
Hmm.
stock before. So it's like changing, and I'm trying to balance the two.
So decrease your Tesla exposure then. If,
Yeah,
how
probably.
much is the workforce percentage wise?
Oh, it's a lot. So 30, 40. It's over half.
No, no,
40.
no. Of
It's
your account.
like, yeah, 55% of about 55 is Tesla right now. And then, oh no, this one
No,
too. So that's
workforce.
66. Jesus Christ. Workhorse is 1.56.
Yeah, so it's nothing. You should definitely decrease Tesla exposure.
Yeah, that's way too. So I
What
have,
what
so
I'm
I've,
saying is like workforce is not going to murder your account.
no, it has nothing to do with murdering my account. I mean, it does a little bit, but it's really more about managing that particular position effectively, which I have not done. That's what it's about. And anyway, I need some more hard cut rules, is really what I need, which I don't really have. But so my Tesla, so I've got the stock, which is 36% of my portfolio. And then I've got a long term option. And then I've got
Hmm.
that BPTRX, which gets me some SpaceX. But I don't,
Hmm.
is that worth it? It's like
Hmm.
5% exposure to space.
Hmm.
Is that emotional?
Yeah. No, 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 no. You should hold the SpaceX thing
But it's only
because
four.
of
Sorry, go ahead.
because of the Starlink. Because of the Starlink.
Yeah, but it's only 4% of that, and then the rest of it is well, a lot of it is Tesla as well.
Yeah,
So
but how big is that position?
it is 11%
That's fine.
of the portfolio. So yeah, it's not massive, but
But,
you start adding
Tesla is like
things.
70% of your account.
It's too much. It wouldn't be it would
Um,
it wouldn't be too much if it was rocking. I wouldn't be having this complaint, obviously, but I mean, it may not rock this cycle. It'll probably rock next cycle. But the question is, do I give it that opportunity for that long of a exposure? Because some of my options are one of my options is shorter term, and that's 3% of the portfolio. That's down 28%. So like I've got the stuff weighing on me that's getting fairly annoying. When I could be in some other names, like I don't know exactly what I'd be in, but I should probably jump more in Amazon, unless it has a pull. I'll wait for a pullback or something. I don't know. I'm um I'm up
I would not
50%
wait
on my
for a
cash
pullback in
account.
Amazon.
Hmm.
It's, I would not wait for a pullback in Amazon.
Yeah,
Amazon
it's
were under in the bonds for so long. I don't think it's coming back.
yeah, fair. Yeah, it's you definitely could be right on that one. Yeah, so I don't know. fucking catch 22 for me. I can't really afford Amazon on this account, unfortunately.
Decrease your Tesla exposure, get yourself cash, and forget about it and move on.
Yeah. So I kill the short-term Tesla option. I wish I could have hedged over the weekend. That'd have been good. All right, so let's close this out. And this is a small amount too. All right, now Tesla's. Let me look at Tesla. I think Tesla's bouncing back, but maybe it's just a dead cat bounce. It's not dead yet, but I don't know. I wish you'd look. I want an explanation for why they won't let me sell these options. I'm a little annoyed by that.
I bought CRM.
Oh, yeah, CRM. Didn't we say we like that one? Yeah, CRM looks good. I haven't checked out options on CRM if that's what you were asking.
Yep, I bought that into CRM option.
What did that one look like? Was your target going back to the 284?
Yep. Actually, my call is 262.
But your target was 284?
Yeah.
Yeah. Gotcha.
I was thinking, you said the other week that you're buying runners, like you're buying in options things which are already running. And I haven't done it at all. And so I decided to try it on CRM. It's a good stock. It's not a BS, so it should be fine.
Yeah. You gotta make sure it's a good thing. I do try to do. I try to do good stocks. Okay, so did you put it on the watch list or no? Okay, so CRM.
No, sorry,
it's okay.
no.
Don't worry about it. 284. And what was your expiration?
August 13th. Just a
13th.
little bit more than a month.
Yes. Oh, geez, those are good percentages.
Yeah.
Nice. So my thesis is that if you get these in the middle of the run, they're already kind of going,
Mm-hmm.
Oh yeah, that's pretty good. That's September. I got September 2nd on this trend line. That would be obviously a little bit out further. Yeah, you get more aggressive than I do. Sorry, I just lost my train of thought. What was I saying? You forgot it too? That's okay. Don't worry about it. 30. Oh, you got which strike you get? 265, you said? That's the more aggressive profit targets. Nice. 38 days. So it's 813. Yeah, hopefully that works. That'd be dope if that worked. That'd be really good. Yeah, that one's not bad. I like this CRWD. This was on about 3 or 4 of the IBD lists. Usually a good sign when they're on multiple lists. Actually, I did so I told you I get the newspaper now, right? The IBD newspaper.
Mm-hmm.
And I did my thing again. Oh, I gotta go get it. Hold on, let me go get my list. I also got swimmer's ear over the weekend too. As odd as that is. All right, I got my list. G Square. Hey, what's up? Have you been on the stock show before, or is that from Real Crypto? Well, glad to have you back either way. Keep chatting. Makes it more interesting, other than just me and Ellie yelling stupid stuff at each other. It's becoming like an old man show.
Old gay couple.
Old gay couple man show. That'd be a good name for a channel. Yeah, so I did the same thing I did last week, and I wrote down all the stocks. And the list this week was shorter than it was last week, at least in terms of buyable. Not less stuff buyable, which isn't necessarily a bad thing, just means the run's already kind of started. Get away from there, cat. But still good stuff overall, though. Nothing really bad. Oh, AEO, MXL. Let's look at those two. Well, that's not having a good day. MXL's not too bad. MXL's not too bad. So G Square, you do any stock stuff? Are you US based or are you elsewhere? Ooh, triple U. You like that? At the end of the video I showed why I posted that. Somebody posted a Wyckoff thing and nobody knows what those acronyms mean. So I was gonna do that, but just post a screen. Oh yeah, Indian, that's right. I know who you are. And I'm like, let's make a video about it. No, I just made I made those up. That is not real. That is not real. DocuSign. Dang, DocuSign. Look at the run DocuSign had in 2020. I mean, DocuSign was always going to be a hit. What's that?
I need to go.
Yeah, probably. I know you're going to abandon me. I get it.
Dude, it's 8 a.m. I can't like do this entire morning.
I can't either. I got to go fairly soon.
Real money.
All right, I'm going to save that option. I'll save the one that I want for CRM.
Have a good day.
Later, bud. And DocuSign looking good too. DocuSign popping off a really good volume today. I don't really have a great price target for it. It's a bounce off the 10-day. You know what I could do is I could just pick a point across a trend line here. How about that one? How about 343, 730? Oh, it's going to be gangbusters. Oh, geez, that's a lot. If it keeps on that trend. Wow. What do I got? That looks pretty good right there. Accumulation distribution looks great. Double bottom base. We're already broken out from that. Anadi ports. How do I even look at that? See if I can figure it out. Probably trading view, huh? Adani. Sorry. NSC, BSC. Okay, they're all Indian. Oh yeah, not bad. Yeah, that's good. Yeah, it's got some work to do, but yeah, wait for it to base out a little bit. Here you got a nice small cup and handle, tiny guy coming out of this larger consolidation dealio right there. That's beautiful. Doesn't always work out that way, but so far it does. Yeah, good accumulation. And that is a topping candle. That is your bottoming candle. Hopefully, yeah, hopefully we're done going lower on that one, but pretty good. Oh, I'm on the weekly. Let's go to the daily. There we go. So definitely double top type of scenarios. So give this thing the benefit of the, or be a little bit careful with this one. Don't give it the benefit of the doubt. and wait for it to go sideways, prove itself, and then try to curl back up or something. But it's already had a really good run. Yeah, it looks good. Good to watch. I'm not running towards it or nothing like that. All right, DocuSign, NASDAQ 0.2. Yeah, G Square, did you give a thumbs up on my video, bud? Thumbs up. YouTube likes that. Oh, what's KNBE? Okay. Oh, you're one of the IPOs. Oh, nice. A retest. That's pretty good. I like that. All right, Weibo, Triple U, TZA. I'm a little annoyed TZA's going. CRWD looks great. All right, so let's do this one. Geez, that's a crazy percentage right there. It's almost a guaranteed loss, though, if it doesn't work. CRWD. Let me make some options models here, seriously, because like, what's the wise option to get? I think CRWD is just continuing, so we've got okay. Okay, so we've got that. Hopefully that holds up. And big round number of 300, huh? Let's do 295 by 827. It's not going to be very good. Not for that particular strategy. All right, not very good for that particular strategy. DocuSign, FUV trying to bottom out. Shopify looks good. Cyber looks good. Cyber also has yet to break out. Check others in the cybersecurity space, but this looks like it could want to start to go. Looks like a double bottom base, actually. 31%, that is a double bottom base. Okay. So your breakout point is 154 times 20% is 184.8. We'll say 184, give it to the end of the year. Not bad. Geez, I have a lot on this watch list. Okay. All right, Amazon 363. Can't stop, won't stop. Jeez. Nice. Super nice. Microsoft doing good. Workhorse just murdering me. Trade Desk. All right, Trade Desk is doing good. Microsoft. Tesla's the only thing not working. Am I too focused in Tesla? Probably. Still haven't closed that position out. Oh, you know what? I need to do some damn work on StockShed. Get this thing formatted how I want it. Was my Amazon trade November 19th? Leaders NVIDIA, Microsoft, now Amazon. Geez, Amazon starting this big ass run. It's gonna be a big run for Amazon. Okay, let's see what my Roku's doing. Okay, Roku trying to come back. Apple. Little on the fence on Crocs. How am I down 18% on Crocs? What the? Okay, you know what? That's not my bag, baby. Peace out, Crocs. Okay, so I've net. Should have bought it on the pullback. I can get more on my net position. Yeah, I need to double that. That's already up 73%. $460 call July 9th. Oh, geez. uh, oh, did I do this last week? Oh, it's Roku. Sorry. Roku 460. Oh, I'm on Roku. Okay, so I'm down 31% on that stupid call. Seriously? I need to stop doing this shit. Do this too much. Oh, we're frozen. Don't think the stream's frozen, but the software is frozen. I do stuff like that too often. Come on, man. I know nobody's chatting, but if somebody wants to help a brother out and let me see if I'm still chatting, that would be helpful. And of course, Firefox. Probably IBD. What website needs to take up 4 gigs of memory on my damn computer? What website? It's absolutely absurd. Probably IBD. I think I had IBD up. That was my mistake. Oh, there it goes. Garbage. Continue. July 9th, 460. Roku, July 9th, 460. Wow, I'm down 31% on this thing. Jeez. All right. Well, at least it's only $300, so not a problem. All right, let's get that out of the way. That's not a bad pullback buy for Roku, actually. That's my biggest position, though, so. I do like Roku a lot. When do I have this until? October? It's pretty good. What's my Roku plan? October 360. Oh, geez, that's way down there. It's only 25%. It's only 25%. I can't add to this position. It's stupid, too. So I'm already 75% to my price target on Roku. Doesn't make any sense. About the 350? Okay. Should have been 187%. Bought it 41. Why did I say 64? I must have bumbled the trade or something. I don't remember that. All right, well. All right, let me find Amazon. 3D Systems. Okay, where the hell's Amazon? There it is. Need to find Amazon, need to find Microsoft. I have, yeah, Atlassian. Okay, net. EXP backup. I bought it and sold it. Ooh. It's okay. I need to go. Get ready for crypto stuff. Crypto's having a pretty good day today. Should get in the power hour, G Square. Doing some pretty good work in there. DocuSign. Noah Cyber. I do like Cyber. Net, Qualis, Twilio. What's Twilio doing? Twilio with the double bottom base. Oh, that's going to break out soon too. 405. That's 485. That's a double bottom base on Twilio. Looks good. Looks good, Twilio. What do you got for me? Nothing for 485. Oh, that goes up 2022. That's why. Oh, wait. Yeah, that's not good. Geez, not a lot of good volume action, although accumulation distribution looks good. Get that by 485 by 10. That's where I have it. It's only 100%. 9 right there. Okay. I do still like net. Oh, net's going out. Where's my net trade? There we go. NAO86 ain't working out so hot for me. Net's 130 target. And I have net for January, which at this stage of the game, not a very good one. 80. So that's 50%. Yeah, it's not worth it. Just let that trade go. Darn it, can't add to that one. I don't think I'll be able to add to the Amazon trade. I don't have enough money in this account. Maybe. This is being very, very aggressive. Three days left this week to get to where 3,800. Yeah, right. Probably typing the right name. 40%. Oh, wow, still pretty good. Still really good. If it gets there in 3 days to 38. Oh, and I can actually buy one of these. Question is, do I want to lose the entire amount? That's the question. Okay, I'll have to keep this on the table for later. I got to roll. Great day today. Amazon is killing it. Big caps are doing real good. If anyone's still around, thanks for being a trooper. Apple's giving up quite a bit. Oh, come on. There we go. All right, Apple's giving up some, but not too bad. Didn't quite get to the all-time high. That's okay. But Amazon is the story today. So if we get a pullback on Amazon, it's definitely a buyable situation. I think I may buy a pullback of Amazon. All right, I got to roll. You guys have a good one. I'll see you tomorrow or later in the crypto show.